proof of stake. When I first heard about it, I found it to be an incredibly creative way to solve a big problem that we had with proof of work. That's very wasteful, that's very inhibiting the scaling of the blockchain. Suddenly you come up and you say, okay, so maybe the way we're going to secure transactions, and again this is all coming back to game theory, so maybe it's not encryption, hashes, and just sheer brute force that's going to protect your transaction. Maybe it's closely aligning your interests to guard the transaction. So you have something to lose, you have a stake here, your stake is lost if you do something wrong. So maybe this will protect the transactions even better and definitely more efficiently than just sheer brute force.